Oh shit, almost ate shit walking. That would have been funny, but yeah, what's good? Back, another video today. This is probably going to be the intro for something I filmed like low-key hours ago. I didn't film one. So I'm literally out riding right now just so I can talk for like 30 seconds to film an intro, and then like 3 seconds afterwards I'm going to cut the camera and then make an outro, and you're going to see that like 10 minutes apart, the whole video in between it. Because my dumbass forgot to make one. So anyways, what's good? Welcome back. This is like my second or third video. I don't know. Depends, but yeah. Out riding this thing. Hopefully the video's good. I don't know. Actually, the ride was great in my opinion, so I think it was fun. I think it'll be a great video. But yeah, we'll just get right into it. I see the hood flashing in the fucking thing. I look back. Just chat. We are moving in this bitch. It's actually chill. I only like sitting at that speed for too long when I can't see what's up ahead and shit. It's like not sitting anywhere and I'm fucking doing this. Because I'm so comfortable at this speed, it's actually concerning. Like, I'm not scared at all of the speed or of the shooter. It's kind of windy today though. I'm kind of getting like, pushed around a bit, but overall it's chill. It's not that sketchy. People that have good and fast scooters, you'll understand that it's so fucking sketchy until you kind of figure it out and it's not that bad anymore. Oh, and okay. I was not prepared for that turn at all. I was overthinking the fuck out of that and I just didn't turn. See, that's where I'm like, I'm a straight line warrior though. Yeah, I am. I just chill at top speed. I don't know how to turn. Can't corner for shit. So I'll see what I said on way more. My brakes were not braking as much as I expected. Because I'm not even using the tire very much, to be honest. Like, you can really look down at like how much I was cornering there. That yeah, and I wasn't even like at extreme lean angle at all. I don't know. I'm a pussy. Maybe I just can't ride. This is my second ride of the year, bro. Give me a break, alright? And it's windy. And I'm wearing a hoodie. My hoodie's my excuse because I'm not comfortable. Bro, comfort matters when you're riding fast. Like, I want to ride in what's comfortable for me and not what's like safe. I don't really give a fuck what's safe. Oh shit, I've seen you before. Yeah, what's up? Damn, alright. Yeah, that was tough, bro. That was tough.
I've seen yours, bro.
Yeah, we've met before, I think.
Yeah, what?
We've met before.
Yeah, we have. You've met my brother as well.
Oh, your brother, yeah.
Well, yeah, my brother was on this when you saw him, and then I think I saw you guys in that cave.
Oh, yeah, you did. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's sick.
Thank you, bro.
Brakes?
Yeah.
That's the problem with this one, bro.
Yeah, that's what's annoying, especially for wheeling.
The brakes loosen a little on these, like I got new brake pads, and they're still like loosening a lot. So I look, you need hydraulic brakes.
Low-key do.
Are you going somewhere?
No, I'm just riding around for no reason.
Yeah, same, honestly.
Where, you know where you're gonna go, or?
Nah, I was just like, I was playing with some friends over there,
Let's
and
flip
like,
this guy.
I kind of won the game.
You won the game?
Like still going, so I'm like just riding around.
Wait, what game? What do you mean? You're playing basketball?
21, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Do you know 21?
No.
Well, anyways, you're lucky. I'll let you be. I'll let you ride.
I mean, you want to ride a bit, or?
Sure.
It's if you want. Cause I'm going here anyways, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
We'll see your wheelies.
Yeah.
I need to learn how to do that, but I'm too scared to drop this thing.
Yeah.
It's too expensive, bro. I don't want to drop it.
So I've dropped this once while we were.
Once is not bad, because you're actually really good, bro. I can't lie.
Yeah. videos.
I do. I think I gave your brother my Instagram.
Oh, did you? Oh, that's good. You film TikTok as well.
No, I only did it for like a bit last year. I just posted a few videos. I don't like actually like post, you know. But I'm considering it. I could.
Yeah.
I might as well.
Yeah. That'd be cool on TikTok as well.
It would, yeah.
Like, yeah, your speed is fucking insane. Like, but I don't see, like, all I see is coherence and shit like that. Like,
Yeah.
I don't see any of this. Like, that's the thing.
It's pretty unique, so.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Even you, bro.
I tried popping it up a little. Is it too heavy?
That's like.
It's dual motor.
It is.
Oh, that makes it a lot harder.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy. Like, that's.
My friend has a G3 Pro.
A what?
He has a G3 Pro.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
it's dual motor. It's like a lot better acceleration, but like it's a lot harder for him to do wheelies.
Yeah, because like this thing, it's nice being dual motor because it's fast, but like.
Yeah, like
It's like that's full throttle, isn't like.
yeah.
I mean, I'm sure it's possible, but. Yeah, that's fun though.
Honestly, I don't even ride it. Like, I don't even go really that quick on this. Like, I just do wheelies.
No, that's fine. You can have fun without going fast.
Yeah. That's just sick. Don't you find this like slippery on yours because it's carbon fiber?
You know, it is very slippery. I've just gotten used to it. Like, I have no grip tape, no like rubber on it, but.
Fuck, your thing is so much faster.
It's fast.
It's actually crazy. I've been practicing this for a while.
Now you're doing very well, bro. That is really impressive. Because you don't see many people wheelie scooters. Like, people wheelie bikes all the time, but scooters, it's rare.
Yeah. Wait, the front tire's gonna stop.
Well, it's harder when the front stops to spin, right?
Sorry?
It's harder when the front doesn't spin anymore, right? Yeah.
Anyways, I think I'm gonna go play basketball with them again.
Alright, that's chill. I'm
Nice
you
seeing
riding.
bro.
It's nice seeing you.
Hopefully I'll see you around again.
For sure, bro. Alright,
Ciao, bro.
bye. That was cool. It's a cool kid. Let me put my fucking visor up and, well, I got distracted. I did not go to the road I wanted to, but you know what? That was cool. What's that orange light in that car? Whatever. I'm gonna probably head home now. That was fun. That was chill. I was just a reflector. Alright, I don't know why the sun was hitting it like that. That's an RSQ8. Damn, we're getting mocked again. Got mocked by Bruce Willis. That was actually so tough. That's actually respectable. Yeah. Let's go this way. Oh, dirt. Don't eat shit on the dirt. That would suck. But there's so much dirt on the street. Oh, we're going on that. The Tech Art Turbo S, that thing is still like so fucking nice, bro. It's been like 3 times. I think it's like the slight chance he sees me as like, yo, that's a tough ass scooter. I doubt it. I doubt it. I don't think the possibility is 0. Like, I'm looking at this Turbo S, like, yeah, that thing's so nice. What are the chances he's like, oh, that scooter's kind of tough? I don't doubt it. Shit. M850, that's also nice as shit. Yeah, I just did that. I think I'll just chill now. I don't feel like riding that fast. Calm cruise for a bit, and then I'm gonna head home. Another fucking Porsche Pro. Oh my god. Too many people have Porsches here. It's actually insane the amount of Porsches I'm seeing. This Carrera T. That thing's beautiful. That's nice. Oh, that scared me and I wasn't looking, and that was my bad. Oops. I was looking at the Porsche, first started moving, and I panicked a bit. That was not ideal. Nah, that's whatever. It's my bad. Okay, now I'm actually just gonna like cruise with cars. I don't want to do anything stupid. Alright, I'm gonna probably wrap it up here. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, go YouTube shit, you know what I'm saying? Help me out, because I need it. Just getting this shit started, so I'd appreciate all the support. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.